did this.
My name is Prince Macabanti from B81U. Today we will discuss about heat transfer theory. Heat transfer theory, the theory of heat transfer seeks to predict the energy transfer that may take place between material bodies as the result of temperature difference. This energy transfer is defined as heat. The three modes by which heat can be transferred from one place to another are conduction, convection, and radiation. First is radiation. This is an example of radiation. Radiation, heat transfer, is the transfer of heat energy by electromagnetic radiation. Radiation operates independently of the medium through which it occurs and depends upon the relative temperature, geometric arrangement, and surface structures of the materials that are emitting or absorbing heat. Number 2 is convection. This is the example of an convection. Convection, heat energy transfer between a solid and a fluid when there is a temperature difference between the fluid and the solid. This is known as convection heat transfer. Blowing air over the solid by using external devices such as fans and pumps can also generate a fluid motion. This is known as forced convection. Lastly is conduction. This is an example of a conduction. Conduction. In conduction, heat is carried by means of collisions between rapidly moving molecules closer to the hot end of a body of matter and the slower molecules closer to the cold end. Some of the kinetic energy of the fast molecules passes to the slow molecules, and as a result of successive collisions, heat flows through the body of matter from the hot end to the cold end. Solid liquids and gases all conduct heat. Conduction is the purest of gases because their molecules are relatively far apart and so interact less frequently than in solids and liquids. Metals are the best conductors of heat because some of their electrons are able to move about relatively freely and interact frequently by collisions. Thank you.